How to know a Telegram user's phone number. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Then simply click on the chat. Then click at the top. In here, I'm just showing you example. You'll find number in here. If you don't find it, they have simply hidden that. So what you can do is search raw data bot, and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on user and send. You'll find user ID in this way, which is simply their phone number. And this is how to know a Telegram user's phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.